This is going to be the elevator at the Burritt Library at Central Connecticut State University in New Britain, Connecticut. Got some innovation fixtures on this one. There's your newly modded lantern. Here's your old lantern. This elevator actually got modded, at least the call stations did, over winter break. So let's go up to 4. This thing's not got a motor, it's a high speed. There's that door opening. Let's get the other door to open. That'd be pretty cool. There's the back door opening. Okay, we're gonna go down to 1. Let's get a cab view.
Hey guys, this is a pretty interesting cab design here.
Yeah, it's definitely like a rectangle. Doesn't actually say which door close button is which, unfortunately. But yeah, this is a pretty interesting cab. It's one of the few cabs I've seen where there's this many flyers on it. It's also got that, this flooring is in a lot of central elevators. And that wall looks pretty dated, that wood. Okay, and that'll be all short for this one, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.